Dual authorization gives you greater control over the payments you make. With dual authorization on, 2 users are needed to authorize any payment above the amount you choose. This gives you an extra layer of protection against common scams. To switch this setting on, select Manage Payment Limits from the admin menu, then Manage your payment limits. Tick here and enter the amount above which you want dual authorization to apply. While you're here, you can also change other payment limits. Maximum payment amount is the maximum amount for any single transaction. Daily gross is the maximum amount that can be approved in a single day. We recommend setting limits that work for you and help keep your business safe. Click Confirm, then Update. Finally, go to Smart Card Authorization in the admin menu to authorize these changes.